Look what we got here, some new BC coilovers. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with Chato. This is Rafi's new dog, and today we're going to be installing some BCs on the blob. We're about to go to my boy Alex's house right now because he has a more like sufficient surface to like work on the car. Because if you see here, the surface in my alley is like not really flat, so it's kind of hard to jack the car up and work on it. So we're gonna go to his house, meet up with Rafi and my boy Alex, and we're gonna throw the BCs on. I currently have Raceline coilovers right now. I've had them for 3 years. I know people say they're not the best, but I got them when I was in high school and they were a pretty good bang for the buck. But whatever, now I know that there's better coils out there, and I got these BCs BRs. They're a four-way adjustable camber, and yeah, can't wait to throw them on. We'll see you in a few. I just put Chato down. We're about to head out, just warming up right now. I like to go when my coolant temps reach around like 145, 150 when the car's warmed up and up to temp. Cozy. Little update here. Chato's sleeping. BCs are back there. Currently on my way to Alex's house. Oh, look who woke up. Oh no, he went back to sleep. Currently on my way to Alex's house. Gonna meet up with Rafi, and then we're gonna hopefully throw these BCs on, and the Subie shall be riding clean. Not that it doesn't already ride clean, but ride cleaner. One hand shift, my bad. So I'm about to be at Alex's house soon. This guy decided to go to sleep in the race car. I don't know how you go to sleep with a straight pipe bouncing everywhere, but I'm happy for you, bud. He started jumping on me after, so I decided to let him chill up here, and he's catching a vibe, I would say. A little bit of traffic right now, just at a red light. Should be there in like 5 minutes, and yeah, be back soon. So just got to Alex's house right now. We just put the car up on these little wheel ramps just because my car's so low we can't even fit a freaking jack under it. So we have to put these on and pop the trunk. Oh, the glorious BCs chilling in there. And yeah, we're still waiting for Rafi. I'm gonna wait for him to get here so we can have an extra hand, and he wanted to be here when we did them. And yeah, look at the little sleepy puppy.
Good. Yeah. Oh wow. So much easier with the bigger one. Let's this. Oh, not that one. Lose.
Oh, lovely branch almost killed us. So right now we're just getting the car jacked up so we can take the wheels off, and then we can remove the old coilovers.
Safety first.
Safety first. We got some wood under here just because the floor also here has some grooves, and you always want to make sure that your jacks are on a flat surface.
Yes, sir. All right.
And yeah, we're just doing the left side right now, then we'll get to the right side. Gotta drop her down easy. Look at those hands. Look at that grip. Oh, imagine that would just went bah. Oh, squatty boys.
Get the front. Be good on the front. Back one was there.
Gucci on the front.
Nice and on the back. I'm gonna like right into the like slot.
Yeah.
Alright. Check. I'm going to do for you on the back.
Give the car a little shake. So it's on jack ends right now. Fully lifted off the ground. Now we're gonna take off the wheels and start getting rid of the old suspension. So we just took off all the lug nuts right now. Wheels ready to come off. Little RPS.
RPS.
Boom. You can see here we have the old Racelands, been on here for 3 years. They're alright, but DCs are better. So we just got all the wheels off, we got the tools out, just checking we have everything. I'm gonna pop the hood right now so we can get to the top hats of the coils. Right up there, we need to get these 3 bolts. My hood open. She fits.
I mean, it's
Would you look who's here? Little late, buddy. We already got all the wheels off already. Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to explain better what was going on in this video. So we ran into a little issue with the BCs. We got the front left one on, but then with the other 3, we ran into a problem where they weren't fitting properly. So I did buy these BCs used, and we think the previous owner must have over-tightened them. So I had to fix that, and I just didn't have the tool on me at Alex's house. So a couple days later, I got that fixed, and we attempted to throw them on again, and they fit properly. So here's the rest of the video. I just wanted to explain what was going on a little better. Enjoy the video, guys. What's up, guys? So I'm in the Subie right now with Chato. We're just waiting for Rafi. He had to go back upstairs and grab some spanner wrenches because we need to be able to adjust the height on the coilovers once we throw them on, just so they're at the right height so I don't rub anywhere. And Chato's just here catching a vibe, enjoying himself. Yeah, that blood. Yeah. Oh, that's my finger. So we got the spanner wrenches right now, and we got Rafi, and we're heading to Alex's right now. One-handed left hit shift to throw the coilovers on. My boy got the setup ready, bro. 0 days without sarcasm, bro. Do I just like send it straight onto the ramp, like fly? Oh, what's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Oh, he's here.
Yo, you just like stepped all over me, bro.
Align it, buddy. Oh, back it up.
So we just got the car jacked up now, loosened the wheels while it was on the ground. We got moral support right here, just chilling. And then we're gonna get the wheels off, remove the old coilovers, and then throw the BCs on.
Bars in the air. Moving all lugs. Dang. You gotta get some nice leverage. Got Alex applying the brake pedal.
We fucking forgot. What's up, Chato?
Thanks, brother. Shout out to Alex for coming through with these Coronas.
Hot fuck.
Yeah, it's hot as hell. It's a very hot day, so these are hitting the spot. Tia's drunk already. He dropped his beer. Yo, my boy, what you got? Why not? Don't move. I'm gonna do the bottom. Oh, you see on it? Damn, Alex with that frisky hand.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Oh, on the hand technique. Look at that. Like a pro.
It's a boy.
First coilovers out.
Again.
Again?
Again.
Part 2.
Chato, look, it's bigger than him. Bone, buddy.
Rear right, rear left. Yeah, this is the boy. Wait, that boy.
The boy.
Oh wait, we do like. So we have 6 and 5/8.
Measuring the height.
1/4 or 3?
Yeah, no, 5 and 6 and 3/4 right now.
Yes.
6 and 3/4.
6 3/4, yeah.
6. No, we have a little bit less than that one.
1.5.
6, yeah, like between the 5 and 8 and the.
Right or rear left?
No, over there it says like that's
Yeah,
rear left. Yeah, rear left.
So
that
this
one.
one.
Oh yeah, that one.
That's all right, rear left, right? It's gonna put the fronts on the back and the back on the front.
Yeah.
Coming. Watch out, Rafi. So you wanna come here, Rafi?
Coilover fit in, finally.
So last time?
Last time we were having an issue with these, with this. They were a little bit too closed, so they weren't fitting into
I'll
the...
give you look right here. shit goes on there like
Yeah, it's fitting like a
some
glove now.
burger and a cheeseburger.
These were too close together last time, so it wasn't letting them go in through this.
Yo, my hand is all the way up, bro.
Give me the small ratchet. Over there. Behind you. Freshie, 2020.
We hear a subie, necks are broken. See, our boy Michael is pulling up. He's here. Our boy Michael. Fresh NVIDIA exhaust. What's up, Michael? Just installed this NVIDIA. Gonna start with the fronts, meanwhile they're working on the rears.
Windshield wiper out.
I think we tightened those a little bit too hard last time.
Yeah, I wonder who didn't. Look at my tia. Oh, look at my finger.
Nice
My
and-
axle.
Nice and sludgy.
Dude, your axle had like no grease after all looking like it's dry.
Holy fuck, I can see it right here. Now this shit looks wet.
Yeah, push it up, push it up.
T's got to rebuild his front axles,
Too much boost.
but
Yo, this is heavy.
the last coilover is about to come out. And
damn fool.
she's out.
She's out.
Another female.
This one's tiny though.
Show
Show
it.
it.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, we need to. Yeah, I know it's nasty. I know. Put it like next to the other one. We need to check the.
All coilovers are in. We didn't have to remove this wheel because that's the coilover we did last time. But all 3 Racelands are out. And the rest of the 3 BCs are in. Just gotta put the tires back on.
So we just finished up and the BCs are officially on. My keys. Don't forget these because then you'll never be able to take your wheels off. Yeah, sitting nice. Can't wait to see how she rides. See if you can sneak the BC in there. There you go. You see it up there. I hear a subie coming back. Yeah. Can hear the rumble. Yo, you missed the house, bro. It's over here.